Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how I got these butterfly locks. It's pretty much a bob butterfly lock style. Yes, I'll show you guys how I got it. I literally did it in probably like an hour. It's an easy hairstyle to do. But before we go anywhere, I would like to thank Toyotress for sending me these locks. I absolutely love them. They're actually very beautiful and they actually feel like it's like the real butterfly locks. Like it feels like it was actually done by someone, you know, like not someone, that's not the right word because obviously somebody did, but it feels like you actually wrapped it yourself and made the butterfly locks yourself. That's how they actually feel. So yeah, I want to thank Toyotress for sending me these, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you are notified whenever I post, and leave all your comments down below. But without further ado, let's just jump right into this video.
Again.
Hold up,
show your little body, 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 show my little body, 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 and show you got the body.
This video will be or is being sponsored by Toyotress hair. I feel like everybody knows Toyotress. It is a company that supplies like braiding hair, like butterfly locks, passion twists, all of that like natural hairstyle. They are known for that. So if you don't know them, then I don't know. But yes, they are the ones sponsoring this video, and they sent me their butterfly locks. They're pre-made butterfly locks in 12 inches. I don't know if you can see right here, but it is in 12 inches. The way that I'm doing it is I'm doing the braided method. Well, you know, my hair being cornrow, I will be doing it that way. I did it the way before where you can plait your hair and then pretty much put it on the root and then, you know, intertwine it in. So because I did one version, and I will link it somewhere on the screen, this is a next version. So people also do their hair in like cornrows or whatever, and I kind of had to do it this way because I have other videos doing, and I'm going to be taking this out like I'm gonna leave it for probably like 3 days, but I have to take it out. So, you know, I feel like this version was the best to do. So they sent me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 packs of hair. They sent me this card which pretty much tells you the details of them, their social media. Yeah, so they pretty much sent me their card just to, you know, information about them. Yeah. They sent this wood. I think it's pretty much like a crochet needle, but I won't be using it today because I'm not doing this. Is effective if you're doing like the method where your hair is like single braided. Why does it look like it's coming out? Yes it is, yes it is. I have to fix it. And guys, you want to see how I did the back of my hair? I pretty much just pulled all the hairs through, like braiding them and then pulling them through. Like, it's not even done properly, but you know, I had to make the video work. This is what I did. Anyways, yes, that's what I was saying. So if you're going to do like they want your hair single braided and then you're gonna attach it to the roots, and then like the hairs that are left out, then you have to use this one to kind of crochet it in. But I won't be doing that version, so I won't be needing this, but it's good for those who actually will be doing that version. Okay, yeah. So let me see how many packs or how many singles come in one pack. Ooh, baby. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So they sent me 8 packs, and in each of the packs it's 10 strands. And guys, they literally feel like it was actually wrapped around a hair. Like it does not feel like, you know how when you hear about crochet you think about like the soft bouncy type of hair. No, it actually feels full, like thick, like it's actually a lock. So yeah, I'm just going to start the video. I don't really need much to do this video. It's like an easy hairstyle to do, so if you're on the go and you need to pretty much just do this, or if you want to do a protectant style for your hair, you can do it. And yeah, I think I have to fix this one again because it's not really holding up like I want it to. I'm gonna have to, guys, let me show you what I did to each hair. So I pretty much just pulled each strand under my cornrows, so pull it through like that, and then I pretty much just put the hair in it, lock it, and then pull it through the next one here, so then it's all the way up here. And that's what I did to everything in the back. But I'm low-key, I low-key think I should do a one sew to the back so it's like staying down. I don't know. Okay guys, so the back is all secured now. I feel much better. Now I'm going to start adding in the locks. I'm gonna start with the back because I feel like that's the hardest part to do, but I'm gonna do one right here so you guys see how I'm actually adding it in. Okay, so there's a loop here, so I'm making the loop, then I'm going to be putting it So that's how I'm going to be adding them in. The back will probably be like troubles, but that's pretty much how I'll be adding them in. So I'm going to continue adding them, and then yeah. So far, this is what it's looking like. One thing that I noticed though is that the ends, they're very skinny, so it makes it easier to push it through the loop, which I love very much. And the fact that my hair is actually braided in 10, and it's like 10 strands in each pack, so you know, all I have to do is just make 8 rows going across. And I feel like it's way easier to do that because then you don't lose track of like, if am I putting too much hair, am I putting too much hair, so you know, like each pack is 1 row, you know. And I suggest you do that if you're going to order this hair, because then it's easy to track what you're doing, you know what I'm saying. But yes, this is all looking so far. It does not have to be perfect because it's like Locs, and Locs is not neat. It's not normally neat, so you don't need, it doesn't need to be like sleek and all that. Like the ruggier it looks, for me personally, I think the better it looks. So yeah. Getting close to the front, and I only have 2 packs remaining. My head is very big, but I'm gonna make it work. What I'm going to do probably is just space out in the middle here, and do it like when it gets to the front part here. So I'm going to make sure I have each strand at the front having one, so the front is very covered, and I'm probably just gonna space out the middle so it could work. My head is very big. I've seen people use like not 2 pack, what did I say, 2, like 5 packs, 4 packs, but my head is big. Like people tell me my head's not big, and I know my head's big, and it's times like these make me realize my head's big. So this is day, I'm going to say probably like 3 days after I've installed this hair. Honestly guys, I love this hair. I got it done in probably, I'ma say in an hour. Yes, I'ma say I got it done in an hour, but it's not more than an hour. It's not more than 2 hours. Let me not push it. It's not more than 2 hours, but it definitely will not take you like the full 7 to 6 or 5 to 7 hours that, you know, butterfly locks normally takes. I love this hair. I absolutely, like, honestly guys, I'm so mad that I have to take it out because I would love to keep it in a little bit more, because it just makes me feel like, it gives me that natural vibes. It makes me feel very beautiful. Like, I don't know if it's just me alone, but whenever I do natural hairstyles, so like butterfly locks, passion twist, those type of hairstyles, I always feel like I'm expressing my inner beauty. So when I say I feel beautiful, it does not necessarily mean like, you know, facial or like outer appearance. I just feel like, I don't know, like, I don't know, like, it's just a weird feeling. But yes, I feel very beautiful whenever I'm wearing natural hair, and I actually love this hair. It's so nice. And what I loved about Toyotresses is that they made the ends thin. So because the ends are thin, it's easy to lock it, so like to push it through the loop. Yeah, so putting it through the loop was very easy because again the ends are skinny, and that's what I love. I love it. I love it. I just want to thank Toyotresses for sending me this hair. I absolutely love it. I enjoyed doing it. I kind of freestyled while I was doing it because I was kind of in the middle of, should I take out my braids, or like I don't know what else to do, and I'm like, it's crochet, so if my hair is already braided, I could just crochet in, you know. So yes, yeah, again, I love this hair. I would definitely order it again. Hopefully next time when I get to do it, I can keep it in for however long I choose to, but you know, we gotta do what we gotta do. But anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one.
Todd, can you play that again?
Stop. Hold up. Show you a little body.